morning children, I hope class 9th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have started in last class, geometry, lines and angles, and one theorem was explained in last class 6.1, that was we have vertically opposite angles are equal and you had to prove, and it was proved also. So even if you have not understood yesterday whatever things have been discussed, first of all you must go through each and every line, and whatever basic definitions have been given, it was told to write in your copy with proper example and with proper figure, that you must do. And axiom both 6.1 and 6.2 you must by heart both axiom, and even your theorem also 6.1 what you have, that you need to remember and you should be able to prove also, and for that practice is required. Today in this class we will see exercise 6.1. Here we have exercise 6.1. Here it has been given in figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Suppose line AB and CD is intersecting at O. If angle AOC, here you see angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. The sum of these both angles is 70 degree, and BOD has been given 40 degree. You need to find out BOE, that is BOE, and reflect COE, means COE. This angle you need to find out. So here you see how we will solve. Here we have figure, it has been said that lines AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC plus BOE, this angle and this angle, the sum of this angle is, it has been given, what has been given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now angle BOD, this angle has been given. So this angle is 40 degree. So angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Now you need to find out first of all BOE. This angle you need to find out. So here you see in these two angles, just you see AOC, we will take line CD and AB are intersecting at O, and these both angles are vertically opposite angle, and both angle will be equal from theorem 6.1. And if this will be equal, then this angle will be 40 degree. So just you see, vertically opposite angle will be equal, so this angle will be 40 degree. Now the sum of these both has been given 70 degree, then in this case this will be 30 degree. Here you see 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. So this will be 30 degree. Now you have to find out angle BOE. This BOE you have got 30 degree. Then you need to find out angle COE. COE. Here you see COE means this angle you need to find out. What can be done? Here you see, if COE we need to find out, means this angle we have to find out. This angle. So these both angle already we know, this angle already we know. So this angle is required to be found out. This will be 180 degree minus 40 degree. It means 140 degree. So the sum of 40, 140, this 40 and 30 will be angle COE. So here you see how we will write. Now lines AB and CD intersect at point O. Therefore, angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD, and that will be equal to 40 degree from theorem 6.1. This we have got, this 40 degree we have got. Now here you see that angle we need to find out BOE. Then angle BOE will be equal to 70 degree minus AOC, 70 degree minus angle AOC, and that has been given. So here you see 70 minus 40 degree will be 30 degree. So that we have got, this 30 degree we have got. Then we need to find out reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE we need to find out. That will be equal to angle AOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD and angle BOE. So here you see angle AOC is equal to 40 degree plus AOD will be what? 180 minus 40 and plus BOD is equal to 40 degree and this will be 30 degree. This is required to be added. 40 plus 140 plus 40 plus 30, and that will be equal to this 0, 3 and 4 7, 7 and 4 11, 11 and 4 15, this is 5, and 1 you have, 1 and 1 is 2, 250 degree. So your angle COE is 250 degree, and this is your answer. So in this way, this is required to be done. So in proper way, if you understand the figure, only two axioms and one theorem you need to remember. That you have to keep in mind. So all the questions related to these axiom and theorem is there in this exercise. So lines you need to remember. If straight lines are there, some ray is standing on it. So what things are there already has been explained in axiom and theorem, that you need to know. Pair of linear pairs you need to know. The sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree, and all the questions will be solved. Next question is here. Here you have question number 2. Here you see lines XY and MN, two lines are there, XY and MN, intersect at O. If POY, here you see PO and Y, this is 90 degrees. This has been given 90 degrees. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. This A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. Find C. You need to find out C. This you have to find out. How will solve you see? Here you see A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Therefore, suppose this can be written as 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because since if this is 90 degree, it means this the sum of A plus B will be 90 degree. It means you can write since POY, angle POY and angle XOP are linear pairs. Here you see, if POY and XOP are linear pair, that's why A plus B will be 90 degrees. Therefore, A plus B will be 90 degrees. And that's why this has been given 2:3. It means 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degrees. Now, therefore, 5x is equal to 90 degree and x will be 90 by 5 means 18 degree, and therefore A is equal to 2x. It means 2 into 18, it means 36 degree, and B is equal to 3x means 3 into 18, it means 54 degree. These A and B you have got. Now you have to find out C. So now here you see this angle, this line is this one, MN. In MN you write now in line MN, in this line MN, XOM, angle XOM and angle XOM are linear pairs. These will be linear pairs. Therefore, B plus C will be 180 degrees. Now B we have got 56 degree. So 54 degree. 54 degree plus C will be 180 degree, and therefore C will be 180 minus 54. You subtract this. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and this is 1. 126 degree, and this will be your answer. So here again, what you had to know, first of all, lines you need to remember, or linear pairs you need to understand, and if it has been given in ratio A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, in this way this is required to be simplified. Then we have question number 3. Here you see what has been given. PQR is equal to PRQ. This angle and this angle is equal. Then prove that PQS, this angle, and PRT, this angle, will be equal. That you need to prove. How we will prove? You see. So simple it is. Just you see. If suppose SR or ST, this line is a straight line. So these both angles are what? Linear pairs. Sum of these angles will be 180 degree. So SQP will be what? 180 degree minus PQR. This angle will be what? Both angles linear pairs. So this angle PRT will be what? 180 degree minus PRQ. But both the angles are equal, that's why these both angles also will be equal. Here you see. Since angle PQS and angle PQR are linear pairs. Angle PQS will be 180 degree minus angle PQR. Here you see, PQS will be 180 degree minus PQR. Suppose this is first. Similarly, angle PRT and angle PRQ are linear pairs. Therefore, angle PRQ, or you can write PRT, this angle will be 180 degree minus angle PRQ. PQS is equal to 180 degree minus PQR and PRT is equal to 180 degree minus PRQ. But PQR and PRQ are equal. PQR and PRQ are equal. These both are equal, and that's why first and second will be equal, and that's why PQS will be equal to PRQ. So what we will write? But angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, and that is given. From where you know that has been given. Therefore, from equation 1 and equation 2, angle PQS will be equal to angle PRT, and that is proved. In this way you will write. So easy it was. So in this way, proper steps are required to be followed and should be proved. Next question we will see. Here you see x plus y. It means this total x plus y is equal to w plus z. Means this total w plus z. Then prove that has been given, that is equal. Then you need to prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. So here you see what we will write. X plus y is equal to w plus z, that is given. Therefore, x plus y plus w plus z you will write since AB, simply you can write x plus y plus w plus z, you write, but x plus y plus w plus z whole angle will be what? That will be 360 degree. So here you see x plus y is equal to w plus z. We can write x plus y, and this w plus z we can write again x plus y, because both are equal, so that will be 360 degree. Or 2 into x plus y will be 360 degree, 2 times you have. Or x plus y will be what? 60 degree by 100, 360 degree by 2. Or x plus y will be 180 degree. So you have got x plus y is equal to 180 degree. And what we have studied by axiom 2, what we have studied, if the sum of linear pair is 180 degree, then that forms a line. So here we will write, therefore by axiom 6.2 AB will be a line, and this will be your answer. So you can write proved. What we have learned, if pair, this linear pair, if linear pair, the sum of linear pair will be the sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree, then that forms line. So that we need to remember. So this much only we are writing, that is enough. So this much in proper state is required to be followed and should be written in proper way. Then we have question number 5, 6.17. Figure in there. Here is it. POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR, this OR is perpendicular to line PQ. It means this is 90 degrees. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. This OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. OP and OR. You need to prove that angle ROS. Here you see, ROS is equal to half of angle QOS, means QOS minus POS. POS we need to prove. So here you see how we will proceed. Here you will write, since angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. This, sorry, not POQ. ROQ, not POQ. ROQ. This ROQ is equal to 90 degree. That is given. Since ROQ is 90 degree, angle POR will be also 90 degree. POR will be also 90 degree. Linear pair. Sum of these angle will be 180 degree, and that's why this will be also 90 degree. Here is the angle POR can be written as half of angle POQ. Here you see, since POR is equal to 90 degree, so POR also can be written as half of angle POQ. So POR, you see, POR can be written as angle POS plus angle ROS, and that is equal to half of angle POQ. Now angle ROS will be what? Angle ROS will be half of angle POQ, half of angle POQ minus POS, minus angle POS. Now this angle ROS can be written as half of POQ, half of POQ. This can be written as angle PO. This POQ can be written as half of POQ can be written as ROQ. ROQ minus angle POS. Now you need to get QOS over here. So this can be changed in the form of QOS. So if you will write this angle ROQ in the form of QOS, then we need to write QOS minus ROS. This ROQ can be written as angle QOS minus angle ROS. Angle ROS and then minus angle POS. This we have got. Now this ROS what we have got, this we need to bring left side. So here you see what we will write. Or angle ROS already we have this one. Angle ROS plus this minus ROS we have. This will bring left side. So angle ROS will be equal to QOS minus POS. Angle QOS minus angle POS. Now these both angles will be 2 of angle ROS will be equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Now angle ROS will be equal to this 2 you take right side, so that will be half of angle QOS minus angle POS, and this only we have to prove. ROS is equal to 1 by 2 QOS minus POS. So in this way we need to do. So just you go through, if you don't understand, again and again you watch properly, and practice is required, for that easily you will be able to understand and easily you will be able to solve. Then we have last question. This is question number 6. Here we have it is given that XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Suppose make a figure. Suppose we have in this way. Suppose this X, Y and Z, and that is equal to 64 degree. And XY is produced to point A. Suppose this has been produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So this will be your figure. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, so this angle, this arm YQ, this YQ is bisecting. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, find XYQ. We need to find out XYQ. This angle we need to find out. This one. And reflex of QYP. Reflex of QYP, you will be having QYP. This angle we need to find out this one. So first we will find out this angle. So how we will find out, just you see. It has been given that XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and this angle, this total angle PYX will be 180 degree. So YQ is bisecting ZYP, means both the angles will be equal. These both angles will be equal. So here you see, since PYX is a straight line, therefore the sum of the angle PYQ plus angle QYZ plus angle ZYX will be 180 degrees. Now since both the angles are equal, because this is bisecting it, so these both angles will be equal. So this can be written as what name has been given, this ZYP is getting bisected, and XYQ we need to find out. Just give this angle, suppose we are taking angle PYQ, this angle suppose, so will plus angle PYQ, because QYZ and PYQ are equal, so we can write QYZ is equal to PYQ, and plus angle ZYX is equal to 64 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Now 2 of angle PYQ is equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree, and therefore angle PYQ will be equal to, just to subtract this, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, and this is 116 degree by this 2. It means angle PYQ will be 2 5 10 and 2 8 16, 58 degree. So this angle will be 58 degree, this angle will be 58 degree. Now you have to find out ZYP. We need to find out, if raise is massive, find XYQ. We need to find out XYQ. Angle XYQ will be equal to XYQ will be equal to the sum of these both angles. It means 64 degree plus 58 degree, and if you are adding this, what you will get? 8 and 4 12, and this is 12, 120 degree. So this answer we have got. Now we have to find out reflex of angle QYP. This QYP means this is what? This is 180 degree. This is a straight line, so this will be 180 degree, and plus this 122 degree. So you will write reflex of angle QYP will be equal to angle PYX plus angle QYX, and that is equal to 180 degree plus 120 degree, and that will be equal to 2 10, and this is 302 degree. So two answers we have got, 122 degree and 302 degree. So in this way this is required to be done. So just for this what you need, practice is needed. So in NCERT whatever example has been given, these questions have been explained, you do practice. Even from RS Agarwal many examples have been given, and even exercises are there. Just you go through, I think you will be confident enough if proper practice is being done. So in this way we have completed this exercise, and next day we will see parallel lines and the transversal. And till then, thank you.